Okay, after I found out that it's actually not possible to get advanced statistics for a MetaQuotes demo account because MyFXBook only releases that for private use and FXBlue doesn't support MetaQuotes accounts, I have now decided to restart the whole thing and go with my RoboForex Pro demo account that I have created. So now I can show you how to set up your statistics on FXBlue. At least I hope so. So let's go to that website, and when you are on their main site, you need to click on Analyze your trading account. Then you can scroll down and add something. There is an account sync option, which will require an investor password. And there is an Publisher EA option, which is good for Windows but doesn't work well on Linux PCs. So let's try register an MT5 account. I will pick RoboForex. There are several options. I hope this one is the right one as it matches the server name. The account number is 68147770, so 17 is missing here. Let's input the investor password. By the way, you can find that one in the README file. I will edit today, and you can use the account number and the server credentials to log into my account and see what is going on. And of course, I need to provide an email address. I think this is all, so let's click on register. I will save that. And here is my report URL. And now it says that the account sync option is only available for MetaTrader 4. I usually could download a publishing app, but it says we have a server problem here. Today is Saturday, so we don't see any incoming ticks, and therefore I'm not sure if the account sync option will also work with MetaTrader 5. We will see on Monday. On this side it says that account sync should work for MT4 and MT5. As I had to change the account, basically this is a fresh start on Monday. So that's it for now. We have set up a new account, we have set up FXBlue statistics, and I guess on Monday morning we will be smarter. So that's it for this video. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.